Hello, I'm Annette Lakey, the principal here at Lakey Family Law and Mediation. When I started the firm back in 2015, I was determined to do family law differently. I wanted the focus to be on helping clients find resolution and move forward with their lives sooner, without being dragged through courts unnecessarily. For this reason, wherever possible or appropriate, we have always embraced mediation and alternate methods of dispute resolution, and why both Gin and I have undertaken specialised training and become accredited in the practice of collaborative law. Collaborative law is relatively new here in Australia, so a lot of people haven't heard of it before, but is quickly proving itself to be an effective alternative to the normal approach taken to finalising property and parenting matters, and helping people to find resolution quickly, cost effectively, and a lot more amicably. So let me tell you a little bit about what it is and how it works. As the name suggests, the approach requires both parties and their lawyers to work collaboratively to achieve the best possible outcome for not just their client, but the family as a whole. It's about finding a win-win solution. To commence the collaborative law process, both parties and their lawyers enter into a binding legal agreement at the outset where they commit to not threatening to or entering into litigation until the process is complete, and fully disclosing all relevant matters and details to the other party. If the process doesn't work, the lawyers are prohibited from representing their client in litigation, so everyone has a vested interest in getting the best possible result. Both parties and their lawyers will meet, often several times, to identify what is important to each party, explore the different options and possibilities, and to find common ground and agree on the best possible arrangements for the family as a whole. It's also quite common for other experts, like accountants, financial planners, psychologists, and even divorce coaches, to be involved in the process. Of course, it isn't suited to everyone. To be effective, both parties need to be comfortable being in the same room and able to engage with one another constructively, and focused on finding a win-win solution that will allow them to get on with their lives sooner. But for those that it does suit, in my experience, it allows them to find a better resolution sooner and a lot more cost effectively. It also helps to preserve the relationship, which is so important when there are children involved. So if you're currently navigating separation and divorce and think the collaborative law process could be beneficial for you and your ex, or simply need advice, our team is here to help. We have extensive experience in this area and approach all matters with understanding, compassion, and professionalism.